If you are in CS professional, the biggest problem you're facing is that you're not getting the right coaching. That is why for corporate restructuring, valuation and insolvency, we have Abhishek sir who will be handling the live classes for CRVI.
In takeovers, there is one terminology called shark repellents. Do you want to know more about shark repellents? Minority interest is one of the most discussed topic under mergers and acquisitions. Do you want to know more about it? Before starting the mergers and acquisition process, the first important activity which we are going to do, it is called due diligence.
So this is one subject where students always find it quite challenging because there are a lot of practical aspects in this. And also in this subject there are a lot of case studies and practical related scenarios which will become very important for you to write in the exam. In fact, if you know the real life cases of most of the happenings in corporate restructuring and insolvency, you can answer almost any question in this subject. See, what are they testing you in CRVI or corporate restructuring and insolvency? Whether a old syllabus or new syllabus, what are they trying to test? Basically, they want you to handle different aspects of corporate restructuring or insolvency tomorrow when you are a company secretary. You may be in practice, you may be in employment of a company, and that time when this comes before you, you should be able to handle it. That is as simple as that. There is nothing more to it. And that is why even the question paper, they keep it very practical and they also expect you to know the real life case studies. That is where Abhishek will be able to help you, and he'll be handling this subject, not only the theory part, the sections and the provisions, but he'll be analyzing different provisions in great depth, and apart from that discussing the different case studies and case laws which are happening in the corporate world relating to mergers and acquisitions or takeovers or even insolvency, IBC. All these things is going to be discussed with you in detail. So that is why make sure that you enroll for the CRVI live classes. So what you can do is, already Abhishek has given lot of videos where he's explained different concepts of corporate restructuring in short videos, and all of you have been giving us very good feedback for that. So what you can do now is just fill the form in the description below. We have a Google form. Already many of you have filled it, which Abhishek has told in his videos. Now apart from that, now we want to start the classes. So that is why make sure that you fill the name in the Google form, and once you fill, we'll give you the details of when the class is starting, how you can attend, what are the provisions with respect to registration. All those details will give it to you. But only once you fill the form, we'll be able to start the classes. So ensure that you are going to join Abhishek for corporate restructuring, valuation and insolvency. This will be useful for new syllabus and also old syllabus students. And once you attend these classes, you can also ask live questions, because we are going to do live classes. So it is not going to be recorded class. Since it is live class, it is much more dynamic, and we have already seen that in CACET, where we got a great response from all the students for our live classes, because all the questions will be answered then and there. You don't have to worry or contact the teacher later. So please ensure that you register and fill the Google form in the description below. And also don't miss out Abhishek's short videos which we have made on corporate restructuring. So you can watch Abhishek's videos again in the description below. The entire playlist is there. So I hope you join CRVI and ensure you do really well in CS Professional, corporate restructuring and insolvency, or corporate restructuring, valuation and insolvency. Thank you, and we will see you in the CRI live classes.